Okay guys, back again, YouTube. ASMR Wood Restore w126. First we gotta shake the furnace. Shake that shit. Open it. Open it. Open it. Straight work. This one, zero furnace, first time. This will be the, I think, third time. And this needs good polish before lacquering. Oh, here we go. Just drag it out. Must be enough. Well, I think it's good. Another one. Not perfect, but I'm also not perfect. I would like to have it perfect. It's the first thing you try for everything, for every time. Well, the mid console came out pretty good. I think it's okay. It's okay. I'll leave it. And now the other one. This is the big piece. The big piece needs to get a coat. And look how the color changes. This is so beautiful. I saw it in the end. I think it's magic. Unbelievable. Great finish. Instantly. It's also good for the mind. Being creative, good for the mind. Gives you satisfaction. Well, because the weather outside is dreadful, but inside it's quite delightful. A little bit more. Brush it on, good on. Strike off. Brush in, brush out. Okay. It also flows really nice and really well. And then I'm gonna get the air bubbles out. I'm not a professional painter. And that's the first time. Okay guys, I will give this a sand down with a 3000 grit and then I'll be back. Okay, I'll show you that one. I'm gonna pause it now. And that's a 3000 grit electrical grinder. 3000 grit. No, it's not the right way because dust and all that. Clean it up a little bit. Need to dry it. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Sand it with the 3000 grit. I don't know if it shows up. Okay. Here she comes. Maybe a little bit too much. Too much. It will never fit again. Back in the turpentine. Now we have to let it dry again. We got another candidate. It's ready for lacquering. I'll take you back. Okay guys. More ASMR. Enjoy. Where to start? Start here. Strike. So that's it guys. Let it dry. Did I miss a spot? Don't think so. Looks good to me. Now I'm gonna put it in a turpentine so I can save my brush. Now I'm gonna drink some coffee and I'll take you back for the end result in part 7 or 8, 9, 10. It's gonna take a while, so have a good one, drive safe, be careful. Can take you guys a little bit up close. Maybe I zoom in a little bit. Wow. Looks brand new to me. Yeah, but that's not good. I know. I know. Too thick there. Bring it over here. Now let's drink some coffee.